Hey guys, it's Phaedra, and I have a key to one of the hottest hotels in Napa Valley. No, seriously, it's like really hot here. It's 100 degrees. But that is not stopping me from enjoying my time at Alila, Napa Valley. I'm here with Infiniti for the introduction of their new luxury SUV, the redesigned 2022 Infiniti QX60. But when I'm not behind the wheel, I'm appreciating other types of luxury, like the accommodations here at Alila. It is amazing, it is off the charts, and I'm gonna show you every last detail that they have in this room. Here's the key, let's go. Located in St. Helena, a little town in Napa Valley, you'll find several buildings. I'm staying in building 1, and my room is right on the first floor. Room 314, and this is where you'll start to see some of the Japanese influences as they redesign some of the hotel. So we enter here, and this little alcove is designed as an entryway to your room, but also an appropriate place to take off your shoes after a long day in Napa Valley. We're gonna go right in. Oh, there's a doorbell just in case. And wait till you see. It's gonna take a little while before you appreciate the details of this room. But let's start with what's straight ahead, and that is the view. Let's go ahead and step out on the balcony. It is seriously hot out here, but in cooler evenings, which is most of the time, you've got a great place to just sit out with friends and enjoy the view. And then, if this looks like a fire pit to you, well, you're right. And the way this fire pit operates, it's a gas fire pit right over here on the wall. Just like a spa, you turn the timer, and up pops the fire. It's definitely not needed today, but how wonderful is this to sit and have a glass of wine with a view of the vineyards right here. But you're not going to be spending a lot of your time outside. You're going to be spending it inside in this room, and I'm going to show you some of the understated luxury that they provide here. You'll see you've got curtains to completely cover this view when you're ready, and they do come in and offer turn down service every evening, so the curtains will be drawn and the bed will be turned down. And speaking of turn down service, I also found that they left me these lovely chocolates last night. I'm not a big chocolate person, but I don't know, I might be. They look really good. And in addition to drawing the curtains, you can also, I just recently discovered this, draw the drapes, so there is a shade if you want to make sure no light gets in. You can put the shades down, or even just part way. And then they have a couple little options in here for a little romance or relaxation. So you have the lighting set just right, reading or even a nightlight. Now this is a king-size bed right here, super comfortable. They do provide you water and slippers. And then you'll see, I'm settled into the room already, so you'll see some of my stuff scattered around. You've got a large TV. I'm not a big TV watcher when I go to hotel rooms. This you could use for your toiletries, you could use it as a desk. I'm using it for snacks and wine. And then over here you've got a telephone. This is your mini bar area. So you see, of course, you've got wine glasses, you've got bottles of wine if you don't have any of your own. These are Beringer vineyards right around here. And look at this. Not only do they have this coffee maker, this Nespresso coffee maker. I'm not a coffee drinker, so it doesn't get me too excited, but I am a tea drinker. And how amazing is it that they actually have a tea kettle for water? You never see that anywhere. So glasses here, wine glasses up top, and then if we go down into these drawers, I love this. This is where you'll find your coffee mugs. Isn't that really cool, the way they have the little cutouts there? And that's a high quality pottery mug there. So you've got your wine opener, you've got spoons, you've got your sweetener. I always give extra points to places that offer stevia, which is what I like. And then if you've forgotten your chargers, they have some available for purchase. And then over here they do have snacks available for purchase from the mini bar. And as you can guess, this is a mini bar drawer. So it's got vodka drinks, it's got wine, it's got soda, it's got whatever you would need in here. And if you're out shopping in Napa Valley and you get some great cheese, you can store that in here as well. But the Japanese influences are just getting started, because I'm going to take you down this hallway that we walked through and show you. I think you're going to be impressed by some of this. So we have the thermostat here on the wall, and then you don't have typical light switches. You just have buttons that you press. So if you want to turn on the lights for your balcony, or the lights for the bathroom, or for the guest room, you can do it with the push of a button. So I just turned on the bathroom, and I'm going to take you in there. Here we are. We've got a robe, we've got our towels, I've got all my toiletries in here, of course. You've got your sink, and you've got a makeup mirror, and here I am. But there's more. So this is the rest of the area. So we've got a walk-in shower. You can see it's got this waterfall faucet, waterfall shower head. It's got glass doors, and it's got this beautiful soaking tub. And of course they provide you toiletries in here. And at this point, you might be saying, hold on. There's something missing, right? There is something missing. We need to go to the bathroom. So where do we go? I'll show you. You've got barn doors on the bathroom, a full-length mirror, and then a barn door in this room over here. Now, why have I saved this for last? The toilet. Because you've got a separate sink here, but this is where we go totally Japanese. This is a Toto toilet, and if you've been to Japan, you know that that's a pretty common type of toilet because it offers a bidet. That's not the most stunning part of this. The most stunning part is I need to come in and go, and the toilet automatically lifts and it automatically closes. So over here on the wall, you've got your controls for the bidet. If you've never used one before, it just basically gives you a little shower down there, and then you can dry as needed. And then if you want to manually open and close the seat, you can do that. But again, beautiful tiling in here, beautiful accents, beautiful details. So did you think you'd go on a room tour where the highlight is a toilet? Well, that's not the highlight. It's a really cool feature though, and it's one of my favorite features in addition to that amazing view. If you're looking for luxury and can afford it, the Alila is a beautiful hotel, and it's perfectly situated for all the wineries that you might want to visit in Napa Valley. Now, if you are interested in the best of cars, travel, and entertainment, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now so you can come back for more content like this. And be sure to like the video and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you've ever stayed at the Alila, or you'd love to, I'll see you next time.